everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be on a look I actually did last night and I liked it so much I was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna do a tutorial on it. And I'm gonna be using my Kathleen Lights and Colourpop Dream Street palette again. So to prime my eyes today, I'm gonna be using one of my old favorites, so the Urban Decay, and this is gonna be the eyeshadow primer potion. And I was using this stuff like years ago. I still really like it. I know a lot of people are like, oh, it's all about the paint pot, soft ochre and whatever, but this is still good. Or it's not. Is it open? Okay, never mind. I'm not going to be using this. I guess there's some kind of crack in here because everything in here is dried out. That would be a crack and a half. Normally I wouldn't put that in the video, but I probably, when I edit it, I'm going to leave that in there. So, what color is this? Painterly. Okay, so I'm going to use, I don't know where my soft ochre went. Somewhere in here. So I'm going to be using another one. This is the paint, Max Paint Pot in Painterly. So in case you're wondering what that noise was, here's a puppy. Yeah. Can you say hi? This is Kohl. You gonna put on makeup? Gonna put on some fake eyelashes? So that's what that noise, that whimpering sound. You can just sit right there. Okay, so Painterly is on. So I'm gonna go in with the color Elfish, which is this one right here. And I'm going to use that to go all over my eyelid. And that's going to set down Painterly and get my eyes ready for color. Normally, so now going in with the color Magical. I'm gonna go ahead and using the same base shadow brush and go ahead, and this is actually, I'm taking this pretty high up, so there's only like a little space between my eyebrows and where this color starts. So like always, I start higher up on the end, and I'm trying to keep that way above my crease. So then when I come in here, I just go back down. So now I'm gonna mix these two colors right here, and this is Potion and Spark. I'm just kind of just dipping into both. And like I said, this is so pigmented, using the same brush. I'm going to go a little bit further down than where that line is. But, I mean, look at that. Like, and then this, I'm not too concerned because, like, how far down I bring it. Because I'm actually going to use concealer to do the cut crease. So So now going in with a clean multitask eye brush, I'm just going to go ahead and just blend this out a little bit on top. Not too much, but I don't want it to be so crazy. Like, you look like you're on the runway. And, you know, if you ever watch like the fashion shows, you always see like the runway models and their makeup is so extreme. We're not doing that today. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with just any of those synthetic concealer brushes. So this is from Motives, and this actually, it says primer. And I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And mine is in the color Sand. Basically, I'm just going to go ahead and cut out the cut crease. And I'm taking this one all the way to the end. So now taking one of the Dome Shadow brushes, I am going to go in with this dark green color here, Water Bearer. I'm just going to go ahead and just press it onto the concealer. Now I'm going to take the shading brush and I'm going to go a little bit more precise. So now going back in with that concealer brush I was using, I'm going to use the color Mermaid Bay. It's a shimmery green color, and I'm just going to go ahead and press that onto like that forest green color. Alright, so now taking just a clean Dome Shadow brush, I'm just going to go in between these two lines here, just and the NYX glitter primer. I'm going to use one of these eyeshadow brushes and then just go ahead and pat that all over the shadow, the green. Now going back in, so that the glitter set that I got from my coworker, the Too Faced one, I'm going to go in with that, and I am actually going to use this brush from Wet n Wild, and it's one of those pencil brushes, but I realized that it's actually really easy to apply this stuff with it. Let's go ahead and dab it into it, and then just press. I'm gonna go in with the base shadow brush, and I'm gonna go back in with this color right here, so Magical. And I really just try to blend these two. And then I'm gonna go in with the color Spark, just a little bit. Alright, go ahead and remove the tape. So taking that shading brush again, we're going to go in with this color right here, which is Water Bearer. And I'm going to go ahead and line. Grabbing another shadow brush, I'm going to use the color Spark. Going in with this accent brush, I'm going to use this color right here, which is Sweet Dreams. So taking my Supreme Kohl Kajal eyeliner from Milani, I'm just gonna go and line the bottom lid. So using L'Oreal's Lash Paradise mascara. I'm going to use dual lash glue, and then I'm using the Real Charm lashes in the style Hollywood again. And now it's time for the lipstick that just did it all. And I don't know, like I'm debating if it takes away from the makeup look or if it adds to it. I'm kind of like, because it's so bright, it's like, So this is the Dose of Colors. This is the collaboration with the DesiXKaty collection, and this is the Hot Fire one. And I am iffy. Like I like the deep, like the reds with the blue undertones. To me, I feel like that's the like that deep, you know, classic red look that a lot of people, you know, everybody likes to use. But I've been seeing a lot, and this Hot Fire is more like an orange red. I've never ever liked orange red. Like, to me, it just, I don't know what it is. I never really went for it. But then I've been seeing it a lot recently, and I have it, and I'm like, you know what, I might as well just use it. So I did, and I actually really liked it. So, and obviously this lipstick is the one that, you know, gave me the idea for the name of this makeup look. So I'm gonna change and then I'll be right back. Thank you everybody for watching. This is the So thank you guys all for watching. This is the completed look, and like I said, I felt like this look was appropriately titled as Hot Like Fire, because literally that's what this lipstick makes me feel like. So please let me know what you guys thought of this look. You can leave a comment down below. Like this video if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel and join my ohana if you have not done so yet, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.